If I were a food blogger, I would share with you how to cook the orange cap boletus and the brown cap boletus fried. First of all, we need to clean them up. You see the cap, it's a little bit dirty. It's just from the forest. So we clean it in the river. Then we cut the mushrooms, and the size of pieces are like that. The sunflower oil as usual, and we put the oil in advance on the pan as we will cook the mushrooms on fire, as we call it, on the open fire. What we also need, the onion, some salt, and that's it. We cut the mushrooms, and you see how beautiful they are, completely clean. And the orange cap boletus, they are something in between of orange and brown cap boletus, they are just brown, but the leg is always with the dots. Then I fry the mushrooms on the open fire. I change the sides. Then we cut the onion. When the mushrooms are always ready, we add the salt. We put the onion and mix it up and continue to fry it. Ready. The wild mushrooms are ready for eating, and we will eat them with pasta made on the open fire as well.